How to stabilize videos in CapCut PC. Hi everyone, this is Kate and I'm back with new tutorial, and on today's video we will see how we can stabilize videos on CapCut PC. So without any further ado, let's get started. First of all, you have to open up CapCut in your PC and import a video that you would like to stabilize. Once it's on, now you have to drag and drop the imported video to your timeline. After you have done that, click on the video on your timeline. Now, navigate to the top right corner under this section. From here, you have to click on Basic, and under Basic, scroll down a bit, and there under Blend option, there is a next option as Stabilize. So, in order to stabilize this video, you have to click on Stabilize. And processing need to be done, so you have to wait until the processing is complete. So again, under Stabilize, there you can choose a level. If you click on this drop-down box with recommended, from there you can choose the level of stabilization in your videos. You can either go with the recommended, minimum cut, or most stable. So from here I will just select the recommended, and you have to wait until the processing is done. Here now, once the processing is done, now your video is stabilized and you can play your video. After that, you can simply export the stabilized video from CapCut to your device. So that's the way to stabilize video in CapCut PC, and that's all for today's video. Hope this video helped you. If you are new to our channel, make sure to subscribe and do not forget to like and comment. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more upcoming tutorials.